Hi everyone, it is Kim Brown and I'm here today to talk about this wonderful palette. Now, this palette is beautiful. So it has some very, very beautiful colors in it. Okay, so of course we're gonna start with these four, which are the shimmer. So you know me, I'm going to swatch each one of them. And they do have names, so I will name them off. There are the four, the three across the top. Now this has the 6 colors in it, so there are the four. Now that one there is what they call the Golden Possibility. It's a very, very beautiful shimmer. These colors are very creamy, very buttery. And so then the second one is Bronze Horizon. Okay, this one is similar. It doesn't have a lot of extra colors to it. It's just a very nice, warm bronze. And then we have Peach Dreams, right? Peach Dreams, when you turn that has some other colors into it, right? It is not just a bronze. It's got browns, it's got some rose colors, so it's got a little bit of pinks in it. And then the last one here, that one is our Purple Vibes. So that is what it looks like on. You can see the golden. It's just a very nice golden color. See this one here? It's a very beautiful purple. It's deep, but yet it has a soft color to it. And then we have this Peach Daydream. Now the Peach Daydream, that one changes, right? That changes a little bit when you have them. So I think, if you know me, I'm going to go towards this one, and I'm going to use the gold. These other two colors that are down here, the two matte colors, one is Sienna. These are a little stronger. Okay, so the first one is called Sienna Skies, and that has some orange. It's more of a fall color. And then we have the Dream Big Brown. So we're going to use these two colors. I feel that if I use them in a light, dark fashion, they'll come up with a beautiful tone. So I've got my eyeshadow primer on and I did my brows, and so now I'm going into my palette, and I believe what I'm going to start out with is my darker of these, and I'm going to start out with this Purple Vibe. So, and I'm going to put it, now I use my eye primer. Some people will set it. I don't do that because I like it to stay and I don't want it to disappear, and I found that for me with my temperatures this worked better. So and I want to do it this way because I want to keep it on the bottom, because then I can bring everything else in. I'm going to bring it out just a little bit right here to give it a wider eye here instead of such a short little round. Otherwise it kind of closes it off. So I'm going to bring that out just a little bit more. Yeah, I think that looks much better. So I'm going to go up above here. Because of the color I'm going with, I'm going to use my Blossom today. It will be smoother, it'll be more fresh, it will blend with it better. And I am going to bring that down on the inside corner of my eye, and I'm also going to bring it in towards the middle. I always hold all 3 of my brushes in my hands because I have so many brushes over here that I pull up. Once I can put colors in them, I like to keep them because remember, we're going to do our other eye. So I'm going to blend these in, and I like that, but I'm not loving it. It's missing a color. So I'm following it up instead with the Peach Daydream. And I'm only going to put it out because it gives it a little bit more of a shimmer. Now let's blend this a little bit so it makes it more smoother. Now I want to go with my waterproof black. It just opens it right up. We take my angled fluff brush and I'm just gonna try to smooth out these, because when I look at the mirror I see some of it is my skin, because you know I am over 40. So basically I've used 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, changing them. So I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put on a mascara because it always changes with that. I'll be right back. So what do you think? That's mascara and that's liner. It looks totally different than when it did before. So the colors that I actually ended up using out of here, I put the gold in the corner. I used the Purple Vibes as my crease and in the outside corner, and then I went on top of that down on the bottom with the Peach Daydream, so this color. Okay, and other than my regular go-to Blossom, that's it. That's all I did. I used the black eyeliner with the mascara, and I used the Ultimate with that. I did put a little bit of the Purple Vibe down below, and it just looks really, really pretty. It is a vibrant color, so if you're more of a neutral, you like neutrals, just play with them. If you knew me before, I worked in the dirt with men, never wore makeup, wore waterproof mascara, that was it. And what I found was, in order to make myself feel more comfortable putting it and placing it, is I just played with it, right? When I got done, when I relaxed, sat down, I had nothing else to do because the chores were done, I would just play. It's always fun to just sit there and play, and then when you find a combination that you feel comfortable in, just wear it. Wear it a couple times. People will comment. I've never had anyone give me a bad comment, honestly. Maybe on YouTube, but not on personal. And start wearing it. The more you apply it, the more comfortable you feel, and the simpler things will become. I really only put 3 colors. You know, sometimes I get more. Now let's do some lips. So I put my lip balm on, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my lipsticks. And I thought I'd go with this one. I want to do it more as a washed out color because this is a very vibrant color, but then I'm going to go over it with our lip gloss. And one of my favorite go-to lip glosses, where's that? Right here. It is called Sheer Illusion, and it is just very opaque with a little glisten. So it'll give you a little glow. It's actually very translucent, but it does have some color to it, so you can see there's some color. It's got a few different shades in it. So this is my final look. So ladies, if you liked what you saw, definitely hit that subscribe button. And my favorite thing ever is to check out down below. I've put my different types of products that I use, got links to them, and I would love to see you back. So hit your subscribe button, share me with some friends, and come back and grab your makeup bag and let's have some fun. It's your girl Kim, and I'll see you later. Bye.